We're looking here at what really is a marvelous panoramic bird's eye view of lower Manhattan and the coast of New Jersey along the left side. We see Hoboken here, the Jersey City here, Hudson City here, and all of lower Manhattan here. Central Park is right here. This decorative engraving appeared in 1868 in the New York City Manual. It's beautifully engraved with just an astounding level of detail and nuance and shadow. It's really richly engraved so that all the darks are very dark, the lights are very light, the range of tonality and the contrast is absolutely masterful. This left corner is as it was issued. This is an inset tab here, and like so many prints that have an inset tab, there is a tear here that has been very, very nicely repaired with a thin tissue paper and is easy to overlook or miss along the left side. But this uncommon and very nice panoramic view is currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.